guys, good morning everyone. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. What date malap?
Must be the 13th, is it?
13?
Yep.
July 13?
Yep.
Ayun guys, already. And we're going to have breakfast.
Yep. Take mum out.
Yep. Take mom
Get her out
out.
of the house. Get babe out of the house.
Yes.
And maybe do some shopping.
Char.
You know it's true, babe.
I know. I hope no more house decoration because we're gonna be full. But I still want to have a small chair, my love.
Oh yes, true.
Just a small one.
Okay. You never know where you might find that.
Sure. No, it's online.
Yeah.
They will deliver. It's actually just in the box.
See.
So yun lang guys, we're going to vlog again later. We'll see if I'm not gonna be shy. Charot. I always not vlog when mommy's there.
Really?
Yeah. So yun guys, bye! Bye-bye, babe!
There's more over there. There's an orange one.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
What a say you
Wow, they're really.
Here.
And a yellow one.
Hi, hello.
There's an orange one.
Oh, oh, they look like a dragon.
Aren't they gorgeous?
Second-hand shop.
I just love this thing. I would love that. Oh, isn't it gorgeous?
That's you saw that before, ma?
Yes, I just
nice.
love it. It's so lovely.
Yeah. It's like
I mean, it doesn't appeal to everybody, but I just like it. I just think it's nice.
595. Wow.
Yes. Of course, I'd pick something that's really expensive.
Wow.
I like this.
It's 500.
$595.
That's pretty to put in the table.
You put flowers in it?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's 'cause it's silver, probably.
Yeah.
Hi guys! We just got home guys! Kadating lang namin dito sa bahay. We're going, nagpunta kami, nag-shopping kami. So let's
Shopping
go.
again.
Yeah. Let's go, my love.
Okay.
Let's go guys. Let's check all the shopping stuff. So, hi guys! Andito kami sa loob ng bahay. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung aming mga nabili. So, first, bumili si Craig ng PS5. PS5 game. Oh my goodness. Sobrang mahal. So, ito siya guys. PS5 na game. Maglalaro kami. So, yan. Sobrang mahal nito. And then, meron siyang accessories. Yung accessories niya is ito. Yan. And another one. Is it double or what? And charger. Huh? Yeah, so this one. Charger. And then yung games. Ito yung games. So, yan yung nabili ni Craig. And wow! I'm not gonna show the price. But, I'm not gonna show the price. And then, bumili kami ng Downy. Dalawa. Then, pumunta din kaming Just Jeans. Just Jeans. And bumili ako ng jacket. Naka-sale siya, actually. Naka-sale. Susutin natin. It's very nice, actually. Susuotin natin ito. Pang snow. So before, it was 159 Australian dollars. And then, kala ko dito 69 siya. Pero nung na-scan na siya guys, it's only $40. So, another discount. Mahaba siya ganito. Ang cute! Parang ganyan. So, diba? Snow. Punta tayo sa snow. Ganyan. Ang cute. I like it. So, ganyan siya. Diba? Ang ganda. You know. Tapos, yun lang ata yung nabili kong gamit. So, yan siya dati. Ang ganda niya. Very fluffy. Fluffy. And it's very warm. Then, bumili din ako nito para lagyan ng candles. And, ano pa ba ito? Okay. Bumili akong tissue. And then, yung pang-cut sa, tawag. Then, bumili ako ng ito na hand wash. And this one. And ang new toothpaste. So, yun lang guys. Yung aming nabili. Then, kasama namin si mother-in-law and then Craig's daughter. Nagpasyal-pasyal lang kami and then nag-breakfast. So, yun lang guys. I-arrange na natin to kasi sobrang kalit. Ay! Binigyan din pala ako ni mother-in-law ng new pillow. So, ilalagay ko to sa aming bed. Ay. Meron pang tag kasi bago pa siya. Paano tanggalin? So, hindi niya na how much. Ito guys. Pretty. So, maglilipitin ko lang to and I'll be back. Picture tayo dito. Guys, someone is happy.
What's funny, bud?
Someone is happy.
Singing your song, bud.
Yes, a new game.
We do, bud.
We do have a new game.
What is it?
Our new game.
Our
PS5.
new game. What's that?
What is that? Ooh, a stand.
They might be the legs.
Yeah, I think so. Unboxing. SP. What is that, my love? Ooh, nice. Love, can you remove this? Wow, that's pretty. Wow, so pretty. Excited, babe?
Yeah, can't you tell?
You're happy?
Don't know yet. Might be rubbish. We'll see.
What's rubbish? Don't say rubbish.
No, what's rubbish?
This is too expensive for you to say this is rubbish.
Oi.
That's the instruction. Oh, way, yeah. That's really pretty. It's like this. Oh, someone has a new game. Hello. Hello. Wow. Wow. That's really nice if it's stand, my love.
Yeah.
Because, you know, it's gonna be... Wow, that's so pretty, babe.
I don't know where the legs go. The legs go. Maybe nowhere.
What do you mean?
So I think it goes that way.
Really?
Hmm.
Maybe. Oh, yeah, I think so. Oh, it's not. Wait lang, guys. We will figure this out first. Maybe there's a... Can I see?
Yeah. Straight up like that.
Where? Sana all.
Like that.
Sana all. Wow. Wow.
HDMI.
Where's the other one of this? This is heavy.
Yeah. Too heavy?
Yeah. It's heavy actually.
So power cable.
It 8K. What's that 8K, Malak?
Well, that's like the quality picture. Now they have 4K.
Wow.
So it's 8K, babe.
Wow. Look at that. So what is the latest this is?
For PS5, yeah, for PlayStation it is.
Wow. So this is the latest?
Yep.
Wow. So not all.
Steam out. Oh, look at it.
What?
Alright.
It's just a commercial from the TV. Ow, 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 ow. What happened? I will unbox mine. Oh. Love, could you help me with this?
Mine wasn't like that.
No, it is already out.
Hey?
Where's the box? Bill ko dyan, guys. Wow. That's a lot of toy. See? It's hard, right? Da-dan. Oh, dan. Malab, this is the 301? The 300 plus?
No.
How much is this?
It was just 119 or whatever it was.
We. So, yung akin. Tapos yung kay Craig.
Did you want the 300 one?
No. I'm just asking because... Wow. So, andyan na yung aming switch. Then, dalawa charge natin.
Okay, so he
Wow.
did it in the past, left, came back. And I kind of did say, right, she's not the only one that's been like that, that's still working for us this year, which was why we thought, no, mate.
Magsisimula na ang aking asawa sa kanyang game. Chill lang tayo dito. Padilim na, guys. Medyo madilim na and maliwanag na yung ating mga fish. They're still good. Yan na, naglalaro na si Beb. Malab, you can sit in the couch. Wow, that sounds expensive. Beb?
Yeah.
Oh, gabi na, guys. Look at our... Oh, all the light is on.
They're back on again.
Yeah, I think because even there. Oh, there you go.
Right.
It's on. Yeah, it's
When
good.
we get the fence, we might not be able to see them ones until we get down over here.
That's so good.
Sorry, babe.
We can put it in the top of the
We
fence.
can ask them to cut some holes in the fence.
Going to Liz to buy dinner.
The doctor.
Hi, babe.
Hey, babe.
Water. That one? Oh,
Ones?
yeah.
I don't know if they're as good, but we try.
We had that before.
Yeah, did you like them?
Yeah.
They're very new, they were pretty good.
Babe.
Nice flavor, wasn't it?
So, tapos na kami sa grocery, guys. It's very cold. Ito na lang, nasuot ko na yung bili kong jacket kanina. Sobrang kapal. And we're going back home now. We will just gonna have a roast chicken or lechon manok. Tapos vegetables, steamed vegetables lang. And we're going home now, guys. Bye! We are home, guys! Magluluto na si Beb, guys. Woo! La 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 la.
Alright?
Yes, my love. What are you cooking, my love?
Oh, it's hard work, babe.
Oh my
Cut the
gosh.
broccoli, I had to cut the carrots.
And you have to steam it.
I'm gonna have to pull apart the chicken.
That's... Aww.
I might need a rest soon, babe.
Yeah.
Maybe a massage.
Maybe a play over PSP, babe.
PSP?
Yeah,
What's
that's
PSP?
PSP. PlayStation game.
PS5.
PS5. PlayStation 5. Yeah, wow. Sana all!
Far out, babe.
Bye-bye, guys. So, pakainin na natin sila, guys. Tingnan, pag nakita na nila to, tingnan mo. Mag-ano na yun sila. Kasi, kakain na sila. So, gaganito ko lang. Open ko lang to. Just ipapasok ko. Kunti lang yung papakain. Ganyan lang kaliit. Ganyan lang. I think marami nga yan. Very little. Tapos, iano ko siya. Parang ipupudpud. Makita nyo ba? Ganito. Mr. Baby is eating.
G'day, mate.
Yummy. Yum. Yan guys, naglalaro na yung aking asawa, guys. Oh, seryoso kayo. Sige. Oh. Yan yung laro niya. Oh. So, yun lang guys. See you again on our next vlog.